till the last video in the digital marketing case study, we have gone through the data set. We have taken the quick notes on the data set. We have looked through the different columns. Then we have gone through some key terms in the digital marketing campaigns. Then we have built some KPIs, formulas. Later on, we have gone to the Google Data Studio, imported the data set, created the KPI formula right here, created some scorecards, bar chart and line chart. Now in this video, we will create pie chart and donut chart. So to create the pie chart and donut chart, we want to visualize the return on investment by different ad groups and campaigns. So firstly, we will add a chart here and we will select a donut chart. So we will click here and it will automatically create a donut chart. Here we want to see return on investment as per the uh, campaign. So we will select the campaign and put it as dimension. The matrix is payment. By default we will see it as return on investment, so we will drag return on investment here. Now our donut chart is completely built here. We don't want a large number of legends as here, so we will go to the style and here in the legend section we will do it as none. So our donut chart is right here. Now we will add a pie chart. So this is our pie chart. Now we will select an as ad group as a dimension and we will select the return on investment as metrics. So this is our second uh, chart, that is our pie chart. So we will go to the style here and then we will remove the legend. So these are their both donut chart and the pie chart. The size look pretty much similar. So in the next video, we will do some touch up and write different titles for every charts and make it more visually appeal. Till then, keep learning.